So I'm a little dumpling obsessed, but these lamb dumplings are one of my faves. You guys are gonna love them. So start off with a little bit of lamb mince. You could do this with beef or pork as well. I just like the lamb, it's a little bit different than your usual suspects. So I'm gonna put in there some spring onion, some scallions for our US friends, and some finely grated fresh ginger, some finely chopped garlic. I want to season that with a good dash of soy sauce, just a little pinch of salt. Give that a good mix. Now you just want some gyoza or dumpling wrappers, just these white round ones. You can find them in an Asian grocer, and some major supermarkets have them in the fridge section as well these days. And you just want a little mound of our lamb mixture in the middle, and just moisten the edges with that with a little bit of water. Now you can get all fancy and pleat these or do whatever you like. I prefer to get my dumplings done quickly so that I can eat them quicker. And I'm just going to fold them in half and squeeze them shut, and then when you're placing them on your tray, just push them down a little bit so they've got a flat bottom, and that means they'll stand up in the steamer. So you've got a fairly lovely, pretty little shape without too much effort. Now these dumplings are really great to freeze. Just pop them into your freezer sitting on a tray, and then once they're nice and firm, put them all into a Ziploc bag, and then you've got them ready for whenever that dumpling urge hits. So you could boil or pan fry these dumplings. I'm choosing to steam them today. I'm just gonna pop them into a steamer here lined with baking paper. If I've got a batch of these in the freezer, I'll also use them for like a dumpling noodle soup or something like that as well. They're super versatile. Okay, put that on, and that will take about 12-15 minutes. Now if you're going to go to the trouble of making your own dumplings, you should certainly make yourself a special little dipping sauce. I'm going to start with some light soy sauce and add some vinegar, sesame oil, dash of sugar, and then a good little hit of chili flakes. Yum, tangy, spicy, with that lovely sesame oil, just perfect. Now the way I like to eat my dumplings, by the bowl full with loads of spicy sauce. Just perfect.